Assalamualaikum dear students. Dear students, I hope you all are doing good at your place. Dear students, as you all know that we have discussed properties of addition and whole numbers, and today our topic is properties of multiplication. Here in this video you will watch closure property, associative property, commutative property, and before starting this video watch the video at the end. Okay, let's restart. So here we have closure property. What does closure property states in multiplication? It states that if we have two whole numbers, say we can say we have two whole numbers A and B. It also states that if we multiply them, if we multiply A and B, the result we get is also a whole number. So we can also say that in closure property, multiplication is closure under closure property. Let's write this definition. If we have if A and B are two whole numbers, if A and B are two whole numbers, then their multiplication, then their product is also a whole number. Then their product is also a whole number. So I write it here we are two whole numbers, then their product is also a whole number. Say we write A into B and we get C. So here A into B are two whole numbers, we have multiplied these two numbers and we get another whole number, that is C. For example, if we have 3 into 5, so 3 into 5, that's called 15. These two whole numbers, when we multiply and the product is 15, which is also a whole number. So this property says that multiplication is closure under closure property. Okay, understand? So we have another property. First you can write the definition, you can take this screenshot. Okay, we have another property, that is commutative property. It is commutative property. Dear students, this property says that if we have two whole numbers, say A and B, and if we multiply them, suppose we multiply A into B, and if we inversely multiply them, we get the same result. Suppose if we write if A and B are two whole numbers, if A and B are two whole numbers, then A into B is also equal to B into A. Okay, for example, if we have 5 into 6 and if we inversely multiply them, say it is 6 into 5, then 5 into 6, that's called 30. Here 6 into 5 is also a 30. So we can say in commutative property, if we have two whole numbers, then we multiply both them and we get the same result if we inversely multiply them. Okay? So we have another property, which is associative property. The third one is associative property. In associative property, it states that if we have three whole numbers, it's also called a grouping property. As I already discussed in the previous video, in addition we have discussed that. Here it states that if A, B and C are three whole numbers, then A into B into C equals A into B into C. I have already discussed right now that this property is also called a grouping property. So, for example, I am giving the example. For have three whole numbers, say 2, 3 and 5 are three whole numbers. I'm understanding you with this example. I hope you can get it. So we can use this property here and we can solve this by both sides, as LX or as LHS. If we can write 2 instead of A, it is 2 into 3 into 5 equals, it is 2 into 3 into 5. We can solve this from both sides. So here, which implies that 3 into 5 plus equal to 15. And 2 into 3, that's 6 into 5. Understand? Okay. Now here, sorry, I have written here. So I can write it as 2 15s are, that's equal to 30. 6 5s are, that's equal to 30. Here LX equal to RHS, the property is satisfied, and we can say that associative property is also valid in multiplication, or it works out in multiplication. So dear students, it was all about today. As we have discussed three properties, we have discussed a closure property, and we have discussed a commutative property, we have discussed an associative property. I hope you all have understood these properties, and I request you all to write these properties on your notebook. Okay, thank you very much.